How's it feel to be wrong? Good morning, or good afternoon now. My neck still hurts, but I'm in the process of baking. So I've made, ow, oh my God. The pain is real, y'all. I've made one so far. And I'm gonna make a second one, which I'm gonna take you with me for. So let me just quickly change my camera because this one is dying. And I also need to write a card and pack the present. Woo, woo, woo. I might just recycle the bag that I used for Richard's present. I think I should. I will.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around. I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been beating my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. So baby,
He comes up here. I wanted to show you. So I made blondies and put them in the shape of 26 because he's 26. And then I've got like little sparklers, like all on there as well. Let me zoom in for y'all. So I have little sparklers. It says 26. Little sparklers, and then those are his gifts right there. Okay, so he's gonna come in soon. I'm gonna play some music. Obviously, I don't want to get copywritten, so it's gonna be over this. Honestly, I really love doing stuff for people. It's crazy. He's gonna get so mad at me. By accident, I keep on like declining the call. And it's very much an accident. Let's get some music going. You know, I really am so sad about this whole Lizzo thing because it's like the perfect song to play right now. But yeah. Sigh. But anyways, I'm so in my like creator girl era. Like, it's crazy. I love it so much. Like, I made 3 batches of blondies today. Can you believe it?
Birthday song. I missed the meeting.
I wanna say happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. Yeah. I wanna say happy birthday to you. I wanna say
Birthday bitch.
I testify for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I will cry was getting through. I'm not long if you joking now here for me. I ain't that.
Blondie's in bed. Delivery.
One blondie for you, miss.
Thanks, mate. Excuse me, sir. What are you wearing?
I'm on my way to something.
What are you wearing? Can we get a spin? Let us know. Who are you?
It's like Zara, 120. It's like Peace Collective, not for sale. Puma pants, like thrifted. New Balance, winners, like 20. Blondies, for sale at La Serena down the street, like $12. Steve Madden limited editions, I think $250. Got them as a gift. Yeah. Swiss Army limited edition, Kirkland Costco. 500. Fit check complete.
Beautiful people. It is currently 11:20, and it is part, I want to say like part 2 of the birthday weekend or birthday week. So this man right here, his birthday was last week, Saturday. We're only celebrating this weekend because he had plans on the weekend, I had plans on the weekend, and his birthday also falls on Thanksgiving weekend, which is extremely busy all the time. So with family, with friend things, and all of that good stuff. So then I decided, okay, we're gonna celebrate this week. So that's what we doing, and he doesn't know where we're going. We're actually going to a Scandinavian spa, where we're going to be, you know, doing hot plunge, cold plunge, saunas, all of that stuff, kind of just resetting the body. And I also have a couple of massages booked as well, so I am very excited. He has absolutely no clue. I just put the address into his thing, and then we're good to go. So yeah, so we're going to be going soon. I'm going to call them and ask them if like it's okay that we are a couple minutes late. If I can find my phone. Yeah, let me call them right now. Hopefully they're not super busy. So we're in the car, we're having a debate. Soldier Boy once said, hop up out the bed, turn my swag on, take a look in the mirror, say what's up. Yeah, I'm getting money. Now.
It didn't sound right. Like,
So what do you think he said?
he doesn't. I can't remember, but I know it's not that, or else I'd remember it. I think he said. I don't know.
Come on.
I don't want to guess it, but I know it's not that.
Come on.
I know you're wrong. Turn it on.
Okay. Let's go to lyrics.com.
Don't go to the lyrics. Play the song. I need to hear it.
Okay, but I'm gonna get shadow. Okay, no. Do you know what? I'll just put some music over this part.
Elevator music.
Soldier Boy. For soldier. Soldier. Soldier.
Soldier.
Soldier. It's not crank that.
Sorry.
Hey.
I'm looking at the camera because I'm on camera.
Okay, then don't look at it. Okay. How's it supposed to be wrong? Anyways, I was right. Nothing new. Same day.
Just God, you're right on something.
Whatever. Nothing new.
God forbid
I'm
she's wrong.
always right. Anyways, now that I hopped out of the bed, turned my swag on, took a look in the mirror, said what's up.
No, you know what? Yeah, he does say that.
Don't try and be on my side now that you got told that you're wrong. Anyways.
It's the tone in which you were saying it. It didn't sound right. You were saying, turn my swag on, take a look in the mirror, say what's up. I'm getting money. Like, it's not how he sounds.
Okay, but I'm not Soldier Boy.
He says it like how he said the beginning part. It's second edition. So yeah, I'm right.
But anyways, now that we know that I'm right, the sky's blue.
It's actually not.
The grass is green. Okay, the sky's a little bit grey right now, but typically it's blue. Now that we know.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
What he said.
Click the link down below. It's my Instagram.
It's not. Oh my god, I'm crying.
Plug.
A shameful plug. Anyways, bye. Rebecca, do you want to be in my vlog?
Questions? Huh?
Do you want to be in my vlog?
Oh, you're vlogging? Oh wow, where are you going? Oh my gosh. Well, you can't really see me, but hey.
We're going to a place.
Hey YouTube.
But yeah.
Hey, you too. Why is it so secret?
Because I booked it without telling him. So it's a place.
Yeah, I'm
He's like, we're in the sticks. I'm like,
Check out the park.
Oh my god.
If this is a park, if I drove
to go to a park. Could you imagine?
Thermea, some type
Could
of
you imagine?
therma, we get therapy kind of.
We just go to the park and we sing Kumbaya around it.
Oh my gosh. That's so funny.
That'll be sick. No?
Oh
Bye.
Bye, YouTube.
We made it to the place. What do you think, babe? What were you expecting this?
I don't know anything yet. I need to get inside. I don't know.
What do you think?
I told you that you're bringing me to a spot.
He thought. He didn't know what type.
Well, I still don't know.
Yeah, he doesn't know. But yeah, here is where we are.
You're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything to her. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me. She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I take somebody else's car. Try to undercover.
But it's pitch black and we've been here for far too many hours. We're leaving paradise. It was really nice. Like, look at that. Dang. That was crazy.
10 out of 10, I would recommend. Good
Thermia.
spa.
Oh my god, my stuff. So it's cold. Wow. Only in Whitby. Maybe I'll come back next week. But I feel like if I came here without him, he would be super upset. So yeah, we are heading home. We've got food coming for us. So excitement, yay!